Oh.
I feel like I'm in the Matrix.
You are, Jesse.
Oh yeah, I'm in the Matrix. I feel like an Indian.
You're African. It's definitely not what's on the screen.
I'm the little Jesse Flair. That's so slow. I don't know. Oh my god. She can't go that way. I think I love your head when you do this because you're like.
It's not what they're doing.
It's kind of what they're doing.
You're doing great.
Oh my god.
Oh, did I just walk into that?
What? What?
You smell nice.
Thank you. I just put deodorant on and perfume.
Oh.
I hope
Oh,
you
good.
guys don't have asthma.
I
I
can't breathe. Have y'all seen Shark Tales?
Yeah.
Have we seen Shark Tales?
The shrimp where he's
Yeah.
like,
Yeah.
my sister's alive now, we just had a baby and a long time is more hard to life, so now I'm just a stump and I have to work 2 jobs, but I'm fairly happy.
I don't memorize that movie, actually.
Don't even.
Ever does.
You caught me. You caught potatoes. They call
You
that
guys,
sign.
I'm going to fall asleep like this second.
How can you fall asleep to the sight?
Are you?
Even I want to dance to that song. Hey, really? If you go wash your face, it'll help.
I can't
Okay.
do this one.
Here.
How does he? Oh, ow. Hater.
Oh, low battery.
On mine?
Yeah,
I only got iPod charger.
Yeah.
Haley does. Do you?
Uh-huh.
Oh,
You should go get it.
I'll do that.
you got it for a mouth.
Thanks.
Thank you. I clean it daily.
Look at
Why do
you.
I do that? Look at me. I can't believe I just did that.
Okay, I want to do one here. It's your